Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily create a Mailchimp welcome email. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Mailchimp, and when you're going to be here, you want to go to right top corner to create a campaign. Now when you got it, you're going to see email, customer journey, and everything, and you want to click here on email, and then click automate it, and here you're going to see welcome new subscribers. Also like right here, campaign name, single welcome email, and then I gotta see the audience that I want to begin. And right here is going to load. And I can see everything, and I will just edit design here. And now you just simply add a logo here, and I can simply add a name here, last name. We're glad you're here. We'll keep you in the loop on latest news and special offers. We are not going to spam you. You can even write here. So no worries. It's going to be awesome. So right, this is how you do it. Pretty simple and pretty easy. Thank you very much, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.